Somebody mention birds? ThaiBirdSpot. Morning, morning. Today we're heading into Doi Lang on the east side. So first we're going to head up to the army checkpoint for a bit of birding, and then we'll head up to the Doi SanJun viewpoint. So the road this year is actually not too bad. It's still full of ruts and potholes, but overall it's not too bad. Honestly guys, these hills are really steep, which unfortunately the camera doesn't really do justice to how steep this is. So some of you familiar with this area may notice that the army checkpoint is on the left hand side, when in reality it's actually on the right. The reason for this? Well, this is actually the drive out. The drive up in the morning was dark and I didn't actually film it. But it's the same track, just in the reverse direction. So arriving at the army checkpoint at a cool 10 degrees, it was pretty damn chilly. Birding wise, there wasn't really much about. I think it's a bit early in the season and the feeding stations haven't been used for over a year. The only bird that showed briefly was the Himalayan Bluetail, so I decided to call it a day here and head up to the Doi SanJun viewpoint. Well, we arrived up at Doi SanJun viewpoint, and as always, never disappointed. Just take a minute, just take a peaceful minute and look at this scenery. Absolutely fantastic. Well, I was just enjoying that fantastic view when this fat bloke turns up. Well, I suppose I better let him have his say. Don't know if you can hear behind me, dark-backed sibia. Right, look at this. Fantastic, out in the mountains. Let's take my hat off. Yep, absolutely fantastic. Beautiful views. Couldn't do much better than that, could you? Absolutely fantastic, guys. Doi SanJun viewpoint. I suppose we better get back to some birding and find some birds. Let's go. Well, about 100 metres just up the road from the viewpoint, we came across this bird. And what a stunner! The fantastic blue-fronted redstart. The blue-fronted redstart is a rare winter visitor here in Thailand, and the male is unmistakable. With his orange breast, belly and tail, and ultramarine blue head and back. You've got to admit, this is one truly spectacular, stunning bird. Even the fat bloke would agree with that. Well, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget, as usual, like, comment, subscribe and all that. And if you'd like to know more about birding in Thailand or join me on a trip, get in touch. Drop me a line at ThaiBirdSpot66@gmail.com. That's it for today. Bye for now.